The Cleansebot is a pocket-sized smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets using UVC light. Cleansebot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot. You can take on all of your adventures with built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors and 3 different modes. The Cleansebot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your client's spot on the bed, touch one button and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using the Will technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, just pick up your Cleansebot, and the sensors will detect your hand and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards and even children and pet toys. The Cleansebot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack a portable charger instead of having to pack another device. The Cleansebot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and the USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging. The UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs and mold and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart Cleansebot at Dhabidu and guard against germs, no matter where you are.